If you're choosing between Primeverse and TrendSpider, here's the honest difference. TrendSpider is mainly built for charting, scanners, alerts, backtesting, bots, and market research. Primeverse is built more like a complete trading ecosystem: education, live trading, AI tools, signals, copy trading, journaling, mindset, and lifestyle benefits all in one place. So if you only want charts, TrendSpider is strong. But if you want a full trader development system, Primeverse has the better overall package. Today, I'm comparing Primeverse.ca against TrendSpider.com. This is not about attacking TrendSpider, because TrendSpider has serious tools for technical traders, which also includes market scanners, strategy testing, AI models, alerts, bots, and custom indicators. But the question is, which platform gives a trader more complete support from learning to execution to discipline to growth? That is where Primeverse starts to separate itself. Quick notes before we go deeper, guys: trading forex, CFDs, crypto, and other financial markets involves risk and can result in losses. No platform, signal, scanner, or trading education can guarantee profit. Always do your own research and manage your risk, and never trade money you can't afford to lose. So, tools versus ecosystem. TrendSpider is powerful if you already know what you are doing. It gives you software to analyze charts, find trading ideas, refine strategies, and automate alerts. But for many traders, the real problem is not just finding another indicator. The real problem is knowing what to do, how to manage risks, how to stay disciplined, and how to improve from every trade. Primeverse is different because it does not stop at tools. It combines Prime Academy, live trading sessions, the Signal Desk, Siphon AI, and Zonar AI scanning. PrimeSync copy execution and Oracle trade journaling is also included there. Now that makes it feel like a single software subscription and more like a full trading environment. So one of the biggest advantages of Primeverse is education. Prime Academy is presented as a structured curriculum from beginner to elite. So across 9 languages with the live coaching 3 times per week. That matters because many traders do not just need another dashboard. They need the path. They need someone showing how the market works, how setups are built, and how to avoid repeating the same mistakes. TrendSpider does offer learning resources and platform training, but Primeverse puts education and live guidance closer to the center of the experience. If trading feels confusing and inconsistent, maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com. It is actually a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without unnecessary noise. Here's what you can expect: carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry, take profit, and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights, as well as the signals that are built around discipline and risk control. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on analysis. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial so you can evaluate the signals yourself before making any decisions. So stay focused, follow structure, and trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's go back to the video. Now, another major difference is execution. TrendSpider can help you analyze, scan, test, and build alerts or bots. Primeverse adds something more direct: trade alerts and PrimeSync. According to the Primeverse website, guys, the Signal Desk has an 83.4% win rate across more than 170 tracked trades. PrimeSync is presented as a way to mirror elite signals to your account with fast execution, while also still allowing risk control through lot size setting. That is a big difference for traders who do not want to sit at the screen all day. So instead of only studying the market, Primeverse is designed to help users follow signals, automate execution, and manage risk settings. Now, here is where Primeverse becomes more complete. Most traders lose because they repeat the same mistake without noticing the pattern. Primeverse includes Oracle, an auto-tracked trade journal that is designed to log trades, grade performance, tag psychological errors, track discipline, and show equity curves, drawdown, and R multiple data. TrendSpider is excellent for market research, but Primeverse goes deeper into the trader's behavior. It asks, are you following your plan? Are you improving? Are you making the same mistake again? So for long-term growth, that can be more valuable than just another chart feature. Primeverse also has something TrendSpider does not really position as a core offer: lifestyle and holistic growth. So the website highlights traverse travel benefits, VIP events, business class and luxury hotel discounts, Prime Fit, mindset mastery, financial planning, and social media training. That may not matter to every trader, but it supports the bigger Primeverse message. Build the operator, not just the system. So for someone who wants trading to become more part of a bigger performance lifestyle, Primeverse feels more complete. So here is the fair breakdown that I actually came up with. Choose TrendSpider if you mainly want advanced charting, scanning alerts, backtesting, and technical research software. And choose Primeverse if you want a bigger ecosystem that includes education, live sessions, AI scanning, signals, copy execution, automated journaling, psychology, and lifestyle benefits. That is why, for the average trader who wants guidance and a complete growth environment, Primeverse is the stronger choice. It is not just asking you to analyze the market. It is helping you become a better trader. So if you want a tool for charts, TrendSpider is worth looking at. But if you want a full trading ecosystem built around learning, live execution, signals, automation, journaling, and personal growth, you got to go ahead and check out primeverse.ca. That is why Primeverse wins this comparison for traders who want more than just a software. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider subscribing. That way you will not miss out on any of the new uploads that I will do in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.